Hi everyone, welcome to Walk in Mind today. We will be talking about the top 10 most stunning natural wonders of the world. Let's go. At number 10, Yellowstone. Established in 1872 and located primarily in Wyoming, Yellowstone National Park was America's first national park. To this day, Yellowstone remains one of the country's most popular national parks. With millions of annual visitors, Yellowstone spans almost 3,500 miles and extends into parts of Montana and Idaho, making it one of the largest national parks in the U.S. Yellowstone National Park sits on top of a dormant volcano and is home to more geysers and hot springs than any other place on Earth. Wonders abound at this truly unique national park, from sites like the Yellowstone Grand Canyon to wildlife like America's largest buffalo herd, grizzly bears, and wolves. Approximately 50% of the world's hydrothermal features are at Yellowstone National Park. In our previous video we discussed about top 10 beautiful falls in the world, and now at number 9 we have Iguazu Falls, which was ranked number 4 most beautiful falls in the world. The Iguazu, also called Iguazu Falls, are composed of 275 separate cascades, which make it the largest broken waterfall in the world, made up of a chain of waterfalls that are fed by the Iguazu River. This powerful phenomenon sits on the border of Argentina and Brazil. Set amongst lush forests, this is a truly breathtaking spectacle, as thousands of liters of water tumble down the steps of the Parana Plateau. A highlight of any visit to the Iguazu Falls is a stop at Devil's Throat, a narrow U-shaped chasm that offers excellent photographic opportunities. Number 8. Ha Long Bay. The bay is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site twice and a very popular tourist destination in the northeast part of Vietnam, under the management of both Quang Ninh and Hai Phong provinces. The whole bay has an area of around 1,500 km2, which contains approximately 1,969 islands and islets made from karst and limestone towers. A long history and tremendous values lie within these magnificent limestone mountains. Normal limestone mountains are usually found on the ground. However, the bay's limestones are raised from above the water. It's taken 500 million years to form Ha Long Bay to 2,000 limestone islands as today. Human beings have inhabited the area for centuries, but made no damage to the heritage. The appearance, indeed, added unique cultural values to Ha Long Bay. Number 7. Aurora Australis. Aurora Australis, also known as the Southern Lights and Southern Polar Lights, is the southern hemisphere counterpart to the Aurora Borealis. In the sky, an Aurora Australis takes the shape of a curtain of light, or a sheet, or a diffuse glow. It most often is green, sometimes red, and occasionally other colors too. Like its northern sibling, the Aurora Australis is strongest in an oval centered on the south magnetic pole. This is because they are the result of collisions between energetic electrons, sometimes also protons, and atoms and molecules in the upper atmosphere. Number 6. Pericutin Volcano. The Pericutin Volcano is the one of youngest on Earth and belongs to the Trans-Mexican Volcanic Belt. It is situated in the central part of Mexico in the state of Michoacán, 322 kilometers from Mexico City. The eruption occurred from 1943 to 1952 in the Michoacán Guanajuato volcanic field. Pericutin is notable for the fact that scientists rarely manage to capture the formation of a new volcano and the full cycle of its eruption. Such volcanoes are known as monogenetic, and when erupting, they emit small amounts of magma over a period of several days to several years. Number 5. Mount Everest. The highest peak in the world, Mount Everest is located in the Himalayas and stands at over 29,000 feet tall. A little less than 5,000 climbers have tried to climb Mount Everest. 240 of them never came back. The fatality rate of Mount Everest is 6.5%. Avalanche. Unexpected climate is the main region of mountaineers' failure to climb a high mountain. Unexpected storms, avalanches, freezing temperatures, high winds, crevasse, and the dangers presented by the extreme high altitudes are extremely hard to overcome, even for the most experienced climbers. However, the use of advanced gear and technology made in modern time, and the use of highly trained guides, help in decreasing the fatality rate. Climbers, generally they spend their 6-month time to acclimatize their body with high altitude. Number 4. Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is a site of remarkable variety and beauty on the northeast coast of Australia. It contains the world's largest collection of coral reefs, with 400 types of coral, 1,500 species of fish and 4,000 types of mollusca. It also holds great scientific interest as the habitat of species such as the dugong, sea cow, and the large green turtle, which are threatened with extinction. As the world's most extensive coral reef ecosystem, the Great Barrier Reef is a globally outstanding and significant entity. Practically the entire ecosystem was inscribed as World Heritage in 1981, covering an area of 348,000 square kilometers. Number 3. Aurora Borealis, also known as the Northern Lights. The Northern Lights, Aurora Borealis, appear in a clear night sky as swirling rivers of greenish-blue light. They move and dance unpredictably, sometimes barely perceptible, then suddenly growing vivid. In simple terms, the auroras can be explained as an interaction of the solar wind and the Earth's magnetic field. The solar wind consists of charged particles emanating from the sun. These are captured by the Earth's magnetic field and drawn towards the poles at a very high speed. Number 2. Victoria Falls. Located on the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe, Victoria Falls is the largest waterfall in the world by volume, with a height of over 350 feet. Interested in waterfalls? Check our previous video by clicking the link in the description. Number 1. Grand Canyon. Grand Canyon is considered one of the finest examples of arid land erosion in the world. Incised by the Colorado River, the canyon is immense, averaging 4,000 feet deep for its entire 277 miles. It is 6,000 feet deep at its deepest point and 18 miles at its widest. However, the significance of Grand Canyon is not limited to its geology. The park contains several major ecosystems. Its great biological diversity can be attributed to the presence of 5 of the 7 life zones and 3 of the 4 desert types in North America. The 5 life zones represented are the Lower Sonoran, Upper Sonoran, Transition, Canadian, and Hudsonian. This is equivalent to traveling from Mexico to Canada. The park also serves as an ecological refuge, with relatively undisturbed remnants of dwindling ecosystems, such as boreal forest and desert riparian communities. It is home to numerous rare, endemic, found only at Grand Canyon, and specially protected, threatened or endangered, plant and animal species. Over 1,500 plant, 355 bird, 89 mammalian, 47 reptile, 9 amphibian, and 17 fish species are found in park. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to Walk in Mind. Also, let's hear thoughts on this natural wonders ranked in this video from 10 to 1. Don't forget to smash that notification button. Bye for now and see you soon.